Welcome back to Wit Acres. I'm Cody. This is Echo, and we're gardening from home. Today is February 13th, and we're starting seeds finally. Today we'll be starting Brassicas. Let me bring you around. And we'll be starting a 72 cell tray of Brassicas. The first 12 is snowball cauliflower. Second 12 is broccoli Waltham 29, purple sprouting broccoli, Danish ballhead cabbage, Copenhagen market cabbage, and pak choi white stem cabbage. You're starting a dozen each. And Puppy's gonna help, aren't you, buddy? No, don't turn away from me. Okay, so we're about 11 weeks out from my last frost date. And it's time to get these in and started. I'm gonna get my soil bucket ready here. It's already pre-moistened. Perfect mix to drop in the cells. I'm using Happy Frog from Fox Farm. It's a great seed starting mix, perfect consistency. So let's get this seed tray filled and I'll bring you back. Okay, we got our seed tray filled here. We got it packed down into each cell. Ready to take some seed. The first seed I'm planting is MIgardener's snowball cauliflower. Cauliflower will take about 3 to 5 days to germinate. 70 days to finish. Where'd my dibber tool go? I need my pencil. One sec. Okay, I got my pencil. I put some little holes in here for the seed to fall down into. Not too deep, just about the sharpened point in. That's all. And I'm going to try and get probably 2 seeds per hole. 2 or 3. 2 or 3 per cell. It can be tedious, but I don't mind dropping 1, 2 seeds in at a time. That's what I'm waiting for all year. Get these in. Okay, put the excess back in the pouch. Cover them over. You want to save your extra seeds because you'll be able to plant another fall crop this year of all these brassicas. Be able to sow these in the middle of the summer and get them replanted for a fall harvest. If the spring one doesn't work out, I'm definitely going to need that fall harvest. You're done there, go ahead and mark it. The next seed is from Berlin Seeds, Waltham 29. Supposed to be a good strong head of broccoli. And oh, Berlin Seed gave me the planter tag for it too. I'll go ahead and shove that in. Very kind of them. Okay, so let me get my dibber tool. Go ahead and make a small divot in each cell here. And then again, drop 2, maybe 3 seeds at most per hole, per cell. Since I'm starting these early, not really starting early, I'm week 11. They say start anywhere from 10 to 12 weeks. When I put all my brassicas out, I will have a row cover over them to help protect from the cold, but mainly to protect them from the bugs. I haven't grown brassicas here before on wood acres, so I'm not real sure what kind of pests I'm gonna have. But to give it this best chance possible, I'm gonna go ahead and have these under a row cover after they get planted. Already marked. My next broccoli is from MIgardener again, purple sprouting broccoli. I used MIgardener seeds last year and had a lot of success with them. And they're for a great price, so can't go wrong. And the purple sprouting broccoli, it says for 8 to 12 weeks before your last frost, 3 to 5 days to germinate, 60 days till it's ready. So, get your divot tool, do the process all over again. I'm doing 12 each. I don't need 12 of each brassica really, but if I can sell some, that'd be great. And I should still have some left over. I want at least 6, so if I sow 12, I should still get 6 for myself. Okay, that's 2 or 3 per cell. That was the purple sprouting broccoli. Now to move on to the cabbages. First up, Danish ballhead. What's nice is these have that green sticky on it, which makes it easy to reseal so you don't lose so many seeds in while you're storing them. I'm going to div out another set of 12 holes. One of the main problems people have with their brassicas, their cabbage, their cauliflower, and their broccoli is called root knot. Like I said, I haven't grown this before, so I've never had that problem. And I don't need a crop rotate because, well, there's nothing to rotate. So, what they say is to pack in the soil nice and tight around the root ball to keep from getting that root knot. And if you get the root knot, you got to move your cabbages for 2 or 3 years, or you'll just keep getting bad harvests. If you get a harvest at all. Okay, that's the cabbages. Go ahead and, I forgot to cover up the broccoli, so we'll go ahead and cover up all these holes. Make sure the seeds are set down there, firm in the soil. You want to have good contact with the soil so they can root very easily. Put your marker in. This is going to be the same for the Copenhagen cabbage. Planting that one next. And I do have a greenhouse. We're in here in my basement on the floor getting these sown because we have about 6-7 inches of snow outside and my greenhouse isn't uncovered yet. There's no point in putting them out there. I don't have heat in the greenhouse, so I need to sow these in here for the first few weeks. Hopefully it'll start warming up into the spring and I'll be able to get these outside. Open up some more space in my grow lights. 2 to 3 seeds per cell. My pup's getting a little antsy because he doesn't like laying around all day. But he's a good boy because he helps me with my garden, huh, Pup? You're not going to kill anything, are you? That's what I thought. Okay. Get these seeds settled in. Now, depending on how moist your soil is, you might want to water these right after you're done with a nice gentle spray. But my soil is fairly moist, so I don't need to add any more water and risk them rotting. The last set for this pack is pak choi white stem cabbage. 3 to 5 days to germinate, 60 days till maturity. But be careful, sometimes when you open these packages, the seeds can be right there at the sticky flap. You don't want to lose any. Okay. Get my diver. Make some holes. Never had pak choi before. Heard some good things. And I like to try and grow a variety of things, a lot. Try not to forget if you dropped any seeds in the cell. You won't be over sowing. That's gonna be it. Settle all the seeds in. Nice cozy bed, tuck them in. If your soil's not as wet as mine, go ahead and soak a little bit. Give them some water, not too much. You don't want them to sit there and rot in the wet soil. There you go. That is the 72 cell tray sown. All my brassicas. Now these will go out probably mid-April with a covering over them. And my season is zone 6 in Pennsylvania. And I'll bring you back, go down, subscribe, and you'll be able to see these get planted and watch them grow with me. Alright, it's me and Echo signing out.